let F is homomorphism from G to G bar and H be subgroup of G, then if the order of H is n, then order of FH divides n. Obviously, if G is this group and G bar is this, so H is subset here, this is H, and if I apply a F homomorphism, then this is FH, this is FH. Now we have to show that these numbers, if this is, there are n elements in H, then there will be not certainly m elements, maybe less element. Why it can be less? Because so in H numbers of elements are n, but numbers of elements in FH not necessarily n, not necessarily n. Why? Why? Because F is homomorphism. F is homomorphism. If F is isomorphism, then what happens? Then the mapping is 1 1 and on 2. The mapping is 1 1 on 2, and in this case, the number of element in H will be equal to number of element in FH. But this happen in case of isomorphism. But here mapping is homomorphism, so not necessarily, definitely in case of homomorphism this number not equal, but this is less greater than FH. Why this happen? Because mapping is not 1 1. So sometime in case of homomorphism, two element can go on the same element. That means if some element go on the same element, in this case we have to consider or we have to study about its kernel. There is kernel that we have to check. So we do first thing, because we have to check FH, the number of element in FH. So first thing we consider F is, we find the restriction, or we consider the restriction of F, right? So here given F is homomorphism from G to G bar. So first, then the restriction FH. FH is, this is, we take a part FH of F is homomorphism from H to FH, H to FH, and certainly FH is onto mapping. If, by the way, if this restriction FH is 1 1, because it is onto, so if it is 1 1, then the number of element here and here will be same, but it is not so because it is homomorphism. If it would be isomorphism, then it was very easy, but the case is different. So we have to consider let kernel of FH is equal to M. That means, this means kernel FH means those element of H which mapped on identity. Then we know that FH is M to 1, because here in kernel the numbers are M to 1 on to mapping. Right? Now, because here number of element here, so index we can find. So we can say so that the order of FH is equal to order of H divided by M, because these elements, M elements, mapping on the identity element, and therefore from this what we say, M divide this is number, whatever number this is suppose equal to, or we can say this is equal to R. Therefore order of FH divides order of H, because it is simply because we can write this, because this order is or simply we can write this is equal to M H divided by FH. Right? We can simply write like this, and this is also H, or you can say this is also equal to order of H divided by R, because this is we are taking R. Now actually what is, and this also we take H, because we have taken the restriction. So how we explain this? Explanation, I tell you how this happen. We can visualize this. Here kernel FH is equal to M, that is kernel of FH contains which type of element? It contains M element x1, x2, x3, xm element belong to H, and these element map on for all, that means I varies from 1 to m equal to identity of G bar, right? Now we can consider its coset. Therefore, or then, this theorem we have proved in the previous part. Therefore, for all H T belong to H T kernel F H, consider how many element? Obviously m. But in this case, these cosets has element HT x1, HT x2 and HT xm. And if I apply here, then what happen? Also, or here, if I apply FH on HT xi, any element I pick from here, this is equal to FH HT FH xi, but this element, it is because of the property of homomorphism, this become identity, and this, so this become finally FH HT, and this element belong to which? This belong to FH H, right? And this mapping is onto mapping, which we have proved. Therefore, this has how many element? The rest of the element, that means it depends on the T varying, right? So this is, if we find index, or simply I can say, if I can say, we know the index of H kernel Ft, it is equal to n by m, because H has m element, and also we know this index means, we can say kernel Fh, it is a factor group which has element HT, this is you can say, yeah, HT kernel, that means it is the set of cosets FH, and HT belong to H. So this mapping we can find, we can define FH from H kernel FH to or you can say simply the mapping, then mapping FH from H kernel FH is equal to FH is one onto mapping. and therefore what we can say, the number of element, therefore order of, this is, I take fh h is equal to, because order of this is nm, so this is equal to nm, and we can say m divides n, right? So we can say that this divide, or this is, you can say r, right? And from here again we can say, in the same formula which we have proved, we can say that n by fh of h is equal to, this is h, this is some r, we can say, right? Or sorry, this I take here, this is equal to m, this is equal to m, so this divide and it is equal to m. So it is simple, we can do, but we have to understand how this concept is